Hello again and good morning. I recently ordered this Ingersoll watch. It's a skeleton watch, the Motion it is called. And from the beginning it came with multiple problems which I want to address here, so you won't make the same mistake as I did. First of all, it came with this broken seal, like this, just as you see it. Right from the start, and the other one on the back was peeled off, as if someone has already opened it and tested it. But I ordered a new one, not a pre-owned one or refurbished one. So the problem was with these usage signs. And the worst of them all was the rotor, which you see back there. The rotor has fell off. And when I took the watch out of the box, it made a strange sound. Now it is fixed, thanks to our specialist watchmakers. But sadly, the rotor has fell off and it needed fastened in the back. So why was the watch so lightly packed and not cushioned enough so it won't break down, so it won't fall off? I'm talking about the rotor now. And then, why were the plastic seals dragged away? I ordered a lot of watches so far and never has it happened to me before. So sadly, this is a mistake I made. And then, look at this. The watch has a heavy hit mark on the exterior left side. You can see it here. I'll try to focus now. See there? Now in a different light. That's the one. It has a heavy hit mark, as if someone has dropped it down or smashed it against the wall. Look at this. The metal is marked there. And this cannot be fixed, of course. Not to say that the customs taxes were 50 euros. So this watch comes at about 400 euros, over 400 euros, which is not a cheap watch. And then on top of that, you pay 50 euros for taxes. This is a rubber strap, not so great in quality, I'd say, not so flexible. And it has a Chinese movement in it, so Invicta uses this movement too. It's not very reliable, but still has a good power reserve. So one more thing which I want you to see is that it has scratches inside the movement. I'll try to focus here. And there you can see the scratches inside the movement, inside the parts of the movement, which is really, really strange for a watch at this price, and a new watch, I repeat. So even if someone has dropped it on the way or on the delivery side, the rotor was not screwed enough by the producers here, by the assembly team, so that's why it has fallen off. I think they didn't even check the watch before departure. That's why you see this hit mark on the left side, and then the plastic seals which are removed and peeled away. So don't recommend, don't buy Ingersoll, buy Junghans, buy Tissot, buy other brands, and most of all, test the watch before you buy it, because you can have surprises. So have a great day and have fun. Wear your watch today.